I think that they make the perfect dupe.
Oh, it's so dry.
Today I have an unboxing from Vivaia, and this is a company that reached out to me and gifted me these shoes, and then I'm going to review everything about it. They are a conscious brand, which means they want to create shoes that are recycling so many materials, and there's so much information on their website. And I chose these pair of shoes because they are known to be really indestructible. They're super flexible. The box says step into conscious comfort, and it says stylish and sustainable. And then at the front it says it's made from recycled materials. So let's just open it up. And then you have the message at the front saying, thank you for helping our ocean and recycling more than 6 plastic water bottles. And the insoles are made out of natural artemisia. And that is a herb that I've used in skincare before. And it's very, very good for antibacterial purposes. Here we have the tissue paper, says Vivaia all over. And then we've got our protective paper. So here we have a very long boots. And I chose these because I know that a lot of people are going into winter and they are investing in a lot of boots. And my favorite pair of boots are from Stuart Weitzman. And I know that they can get very pricey, which is why when I looked on the website for my boots, they are £750. Now, I didn't pay that much because I got mine at Bicester Village. So my exact model is discontinued, but the current equivalent one is £750, and that's where their shoes are around that mark. And I think at Bicester, they're usually around £500. So I did snag up quite a bargain at the time. But these, they don't cost nearly as much as that. I think that they make the perfect dupe. And these are amazing because I chose the waterproof edition because in London, there's a lot of rain. We go through so much weather and puddles and mud that walking through London, it's just not the nicest for your shoes at all. It's very unforgiving. So I wanted to make sure that these boots are very robust. So at the front, it's more of this fabric material and it's very soft and it's very squishy too. And you have the sides, which is a bit more like a sock. It's got the V logo on here, and then it's got the heel at the back. And this heel is pretty chunky and it's about 3 centimeters, so it's not too high, and it's just a comfortable height to wear. Now, I usually wear size 38, and from the measurements, I was recommended to get a size Euro 38. I think these fit really, really perfectly. And also, if you have a look at the material at the leg, it's very stretchy, but it's very thick at the same time. More stretchier at the top, but I think in the center, it's a little bit stretchy, but it's very rigid. So I think these are going to hug your legs very well. And you know that problem where you have long boots and they always tend to fall down really easily? Then these don't have that problem. The reason why I love my Stuart Weitzman one is because they never fall down at me. They really hug everything so tightly and it's just the perfect height. Now these are a little bit longer. They do reach over the knee. My Stuart Weitzman one just reaches just at the knee point, but those are a bit more heeled. And these ones, because they're flat shoes, I reckon I might end up wearing these a lot more. At the back, they do have a bit more structure to it. So if I squeeze over here, very, very difficult to move. So there is a lot of structure. And also when you look at the front, if I squeeze here, there's a lot of flexibility. When I wear this, I am a little bit wary that it might scratch up the back of my ankles because that's usually very sensitive. And especially for my Stuart Weitzman boots, that took a while to really break in. In terms of the sole of the shoe, it's very rubbery and it's just the same as my other boot. Especially during winter, I want to have a lot better grip because it's wintry, it's slippery outside, and especially because it can get quite icy. I want something that has as much grip as possible, so these are going to be perfect. And in terms of all of the comfort levels, these are just amazing. And when you put them on, it just looks so flattering. It just looks really, really chic. I did test this underwater out of curiosity.
Oh shit. Oh, it's so dry. Whoa. Oh snap. That's mad.
when I run it over the tap, the water just glides straight over and it doesn't sink into the shoe at all. It just bounces straight off. So I am very, very happy with these. So the price of these on the website, it says that they are £171, but I do have a discount code. It's not affiliated, it's just to let them know where their audience is coming from. And it's 10% off. And if you use this on these boots, they will become £154.56. So that is a huge bargain, £150 for a pair of boots compared to £750. They have so many flat shoes as well. The ones that I'm interested in trying is actually their Aria 5, which is actually their best seller. And these come at £83.72. They're just a really good everyday shoe to have. And another cute one that I saw with a little kitten embroidered into it. It's also the same price and the cat just looks really cute. And if you do use that 10% coupon, then it will become £75.35. So overall, these are really affordable shoes. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you want to see more of my shoe collection, then click over here and I will see you there. Bye.